Today I have the Veise smart lock. This is a keyless entry door lock. This door lock is packed with many features. I really like this company. They have an easy to follow installation video and a pairing video. Let's see what's included in the box. It comes with a template, just in case your door's not cut out, but most doors are cut out for this door lock. It comes with a QR code for the app. Instructions, user's manual, the back plate, it comes with 2 key fobs, and the front lock. This is also touchscreen. And the hardware, and it comes with 2 keys also. Let's go get this installed. So make sure you have this up arrow pointing up when you install this part. On the back plate, make sure the top's facing up and it says this side against door. Very easy to use. Alright, once you got the back plate installed, it's time to install the back lock. You install that by putting 2 screws in here, and then on the bottom has a screw. Well, first thing you need to do is connect this power supply, or it will not have power. And next you add your batteries. My favorite feature about this door lock is the app. This app is very easy to use, it's very straightforward, and it just took me a couple minutes to connect it to the door lock. It is also very easy to connect the key fobs using the app. It only takes a couple minutes.